Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for your headphones OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your headphones. And here we go, we have LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to your charging case. And we can also see LED lights, so that's it. These headphones do not support wireless charging, so we can't charge it by wireless charging station, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!